Hello everyone, and today we're going to talk about what's the difference between the words shackles, fetters, and manacles. These words are nouns and they also can be verbs. So, what's their definition? The definition says that these are items for restricting someone's ability to act freely. That's kind of a broad definition, so we're going to give it the explanation. Let's start from shackles. Shackles, it's like cuffs. So both your hands, rings, metal rings are on your wrists, around both your wrists, and connected with a chain. These are shackles. What about fetters? Fetters, it's like shackles but for legs. They are connected also with a chain just above your feet, where your ankles located. Let's give an example. Perhaps you've heard the song The House of the Rising Sun, and there was a verse. It sounds like this. I'm going back to New Orleans to wear that ball and chain. So, that ball and chain, it is fetters. And the last word, it is manacles. What is manacles? Manacles, it's like shackles plus fetters. You can say that it is a set of shackles and fetters. So manacles, you this word can refer to to a man who's restricted by both shackles and fetters. But manacles can also be how to put it, its own set. So it's not just shackles plus fetters, but manacles can be one big set that can be applied to both hands and legs. So just like try to imagine POVs, so prisoners of war, and slaves, enslaved people. They were usually restricted by manacles, so their hands and their legs, and perhaps in some of the cases, with like in the House of the Rising Sun, was restricted with a ball, so to make it hard to run away. So that's all the difference. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.